Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're like me, you get bored of seeing the same thing over and over, or being a carbon copy of someone else. You are a doer, a go-getter. You are amazing. I've had the PlayStation 4 for as long as it's been available to the public, and I've absolutely enjoyed every last minute of it. Thumbs up for PlayStation Nation, comment for Xbox Squad. I actually enjoy both, so you know how we get down. Since I didn't decide to upgrade to the slimmer PS4 Slim or the Pro, I normally kept my PS4 tucked away, hidden from sight, but I decided to change that. I went to this awesome site called slickright.com and ordered this beautiful skin and threw it on my PlayStation 4. You can see it in the film. Amazing. This is an absolutely beautiful skin that I decided to throw on here. This is they don't call it the Hawk, but it's the Hawk skin. Green is my favorite color. It's absolutely beautiful. I wish I had went with the actual matte finish, because moving around and stuff, you can see later on in the film, it's a fingerprint magnet. Like I said, this decal is part of the Hero series for the PlayStation 4. I decided to get the gloss finish. Like I said, if I had to choose again, I would have went with the matte finish. If you want to get your very own skin for your gaming console, your phone, your tablet, much more, go to slickrights.com. They can give you something to match your personality, allow you to express yourself. Guys, if you're enjoying the videos, like I said, do me a favor, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and be tuned for all new videos. Till next time, happy worship bacon. We are out.